Okay, so this is just a very simple example of like utilizing variance and mean. So we're going to define the coefficient of variation to be the standard deviation divided by the mean. So it's just a kind of a measure of relative standard deviation in the data. So this particular example is we want to see, compared to the mean value of a share, how much it jumps up and down. So it's kind of almost a measure of the riskiness of a stock. So let's just kind of calculate a few things here. I'll just copy these and paste these from the completed version. So we have the mean, the standard deviation, the coefficient of variation. So let's just kind of calculate the mean. Okay, so we'll first do it for IBM. So that's just going to be the average of all these numbers. We're not dragging down. And if we're dragging across, we actually do want the other column. So I can just go select this and then Control and R, R for rabbit. And this will give me the mean for, you see, C, D, E, and F. Now let's do the standard deviation. Again, we'll just use assume it's a sample. And again, select Control R. And the coefficient of variation. This is just the standard deviation divided by the mean. And let's go to the right. Now, the coefficient is just a ratio. It really shouldn't have any particular formatting in terms of currencies. So I'm just going to give this a number format. And these, it's in terms of dollars. So we can actually have a currency format. So let's just click currency, decimal place is 2. Again, it's weird. I click currency and it goes to number, but then I click currency a second time and it works. And let's just make it the right size. So you can see what we've got here is we've just got the amount of variation relative to the stock price. So you see the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is an index that incorporates multiple shares, that has less kind of variation because of, I guess, more cancelling out between the different shares. But we see relative to the stock price, for example, INTC has the highest variation, followed by IBM. It must be Cisco. And then, I guess, a big boring company, we have General Electric.